Best deals.
1. Scrubbing pad. Washboard has an seat shape and an independent soap compartment. The corrugated design on the board helps easily remove the stains and its smooth finish safeguards the clothes from wear and tear. There is hole to hang it dry once the usage is completed. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Collapsible bucket. Perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks, including mopping floors, washing cars, and even organizing laundry. Made from high-grade PP plus TPR material, this folding bucket is both durable and lightweight. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cloth drying hanger. Consists of a sturdy frame with a number of horizontal bars or lines that serve as hangers for clothes. The frame may be made of plastic, metal, or wood, and can be collapsible for easy storage when not in use. Product link is given in the third link. 3. Toilet paper holder. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability, perfect size that fits even in congested space. Additional provision has been provided to keep your mobile phone on it. Strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Wood clothes stand. Effortlessly foldable and compact, this clothes stand maximizes your living space and is perfect for small apartments, laundry rooms, or outdoor areas, equipped with rotatable arms. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Hose silicone plug. Function makes it appropriate for various occasions, such as toilets, bathrooms, kitchens, offices and so on, can add a cute, bright and neat effect to these places, suitable for most drain pipe and sewer opening. It can bring convenience to your daily life. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Water stopper. Install this water retaining strip. The water will no longer leak out. The shower threshold provide a good protection, keeps water stay inside shower stall, prevents water overflow. Do not worry about water damage. The shower threshold is made of silicone rubber, so soft, it's flexible designed to create all sorts of shapes, bendable when stepped on, it will rebound to its original shape at once. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cupboard store basket. Perfect for organizing and storing all types of cleaning items. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Rolling soap box. Made of high-quality transparent PP material and soft rubber, durable, soft rubber roller has strong water absorption, high elasticity, resistant to soaking, can be used for a long time. The bottom is hollow design, ventilation and drainage. With cover design, it's clean and hygienic. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Toothpaste squeezer. Made with good quality plastic, durable and safe to use, won't break easily, can be last for a long time. Toothpaste squeezer works well for tubes of width less than 2 inch, works on aluminum and plastic tubes, suitable for squeeze toothpaste, cream tube, cleansing foam or other items. Toothpaste squeezer is a practical tool. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Silicone hair catcher. Made of flexible thermoplastic rubber, anti-slip, characterized by resilience and abrasive resistance. Catcher is designed with holes in various size and density. It effectively prevents hair or pet hair, debris and other small stuffs to clog up the drain. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Underwear organizer. Baffle is removable, so you can switch the baffle to suit your many needs. Easy to put down cell phone chargers, underwear, bras, socks and other items. Organizers can be installed in any local of your house or office. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cotton swab storage box. It comes with a transparent body which makes it easier for you to see what is stored inside, has an anti-dust cover to keep the contents free from dust, bacteria. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Mini washing machine. The foldable washing machine is convenient to use, easy to clean, and can be used in student dormitory, single apartments, business trip and hotel. Portable washing machine is small and lightweight, and it can be folded to occupy no space at all when you don't use it. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Toothbrush holder. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Additional provision has been provided to keep your other accessories like comb, razor, tongue cleaner. To install, simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Tap extension faucet. Completely flexible and can be rotated 360 degrees to ease your day-to-day work. Single button push to get either sprinkle water or straight water. Faucet is made up of PVC tube and ABS nozzle, environmental friendly, sturdy and durable to use. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Hanger. It's cool and trendy hangers for all types of tees and casuals. They are crafted to hold the weight of water-doused clothes. They are sturdy, high-tensile hangers made from virgin plastic for longer life. It's flexible and durable. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Metal mesh waste dustbin. Durable metal mesh ensures longevity and easy maintenance. Unique wire mesh is moisture-proof and rust-proof, making it perfect for daily use. Open lid design allows easy waste disposal without touching the lid. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cloth drying stand. Made of sturdy metal, so it's durable and can withstand the elements. It's also powder coated to prevent rust, so you can use it indoors or outdoors. Wall-mounted cloth drying stand is easy to install. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Lint catcher. Durable net bag can reduce clogging troubles, protect your expensive washing machine from unnecessary breakdowns every day. It is a good helper to remove lint or hair from the clothes. Made of high-quality PP material, simply remove any remaining debris and clean the net after used. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Toothbrush holder. Highly adhesion keeps it firmly against the wall and not falls for a long time. The toothbrush container is made of high-quality PP material, which is reliable and durable for its entire life. Space-saving dust-proof design are perfect for the family. It's attractive and durable. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Washing machine stand. This is an anti-vibration and anti-slip rubber pad with shock absorber suction cups. Suitable for most washing machines, dryers, refrigerators, tables, sofas, beds, and other furniture on the market. Product link is given in the 22nd link. Thanks for watching.